Have you ever wondered if a smartphone can capture high-quality singing vocals? Specifically, could the Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT be up to the task? Today, I'll share an interesting experiment where I made my friend Etu sing using this phone, and then transform the recording into a polished track. Etu and I wanted to see if the Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT, a budget-friendly smartphone, could be used for serious vocal recording. We set up a quiet space, used the phone's built-in microphone, and recorded Etu's vocals. The raw recording, as you might expect, was not perfect.
আমার মতো এত সুখী
There was some background noise and a lack of clarity that you typically wouldn't get from a professional microphone. But we didn't stop there. I took the recording and imported it into my digital audio workstation, DAW. Using some basic audio cleaning techniques, I applied noise reduction to eliminate the background hiss. Next, I used EQ to enhance the vocal frequencies and added some compression to give the vocals more punch and consistency. Finally, I added a touch of reverb to give the vocals a bit of depth. The results were surprisingly good.
আমার মতো এত সুখী নয়তো কারো জীবন নয়তো কারো জীবন
With these simple tweaks, we managed to produce a clear and decent-sounding track. It proved that even with a smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT, you can create good quality vocal recordings if you know how to clean and process the audio properly. So, if you're on a tight budget and wondering if you can start recording your songs with just your phone, the answer is yes. With some basic audio editing skills, you can turn your Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT into a useful recording tool. Don't let the lack of professional equipment stop you from creating music. If you enjoyed this story and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow me for more tips and stories about making music with budget gear.